and all. A very good morning to one and all. So hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see my screen. Everyone, could you please confirm? Everyone, please utilize the chat box to respond the question. Yeah, fine. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So this is on the continuation of the Java 8 stream workshop for the previous week, sir, for the last week. Okay. So as part of our last week, so we had covered with some importance of Java 8. Okay, and the prerequisites to work with what Java 8 streams. Okay, to work with the prerequisites of the Java 8 streams, such as for understanding with what the functional interfaces and how to write a lambda expressions for the functional interfaces as well. Right, sir? So can you guys please respond? What do you mean by functional interface? Can you guys please respond? What do you mean by functional interface? And how we are going to define the function? How we are going to define the functional interface as well? Yes. A functional interface means which contains only single abstract method, sir. Okay, that is called functional interface, sir. Okay. So when it comes for the lambda expression, which is nothing but an what? It's a nameless function or a nameless method. Right, sir? It's a nameless method. So lambda expression means it's nothing but a block of code which doesn't have any access modifier and any return type and any return type of the so method name as well. Okay, lambda expression means it's a simple piece of code which doesn't have any access modifier, any return type, and the method name. That's all. Understand, sir? That is what the importance of lambda expressions are. Okay, yes, these are the things which we have discussed on the last session itself. And as I already told you, in the Java 8 release, we do have around with the 43 predefined functional interfaces are there in a Java 8 library. Oh, all these the functional interfaces are available in a java.util.function package. Okay, all the functional interfaces are arranged in which packages are java.util.function package. Understood? That is what the things which we have discussed on the last the week, sir. Okay. Yes. So before starting off our today's discussion, sir, I will just quickly go through that. Okay. I will just quickly go through that. What, sir? I will quickly go through that the importance of the stream. Okay, importance of the stream, and then followed with what? So, and the various types of stream operations, and we'll perform with what? One by one stream operations, sir, with the coding part. Okay. Yes. So see, sir, what do you mean by stream, sir? As I already told you in the last week, sir, stream is nothing but an what? A set of elements. Okay. Stream is representing what? The sequence of an objects or sequence of an elements, which always derived from arrays, collections, and input and output resources, sir. So once you got the stream of an object, where you can apply with what? Some aggregate operations, where you can apply with some aggregate operations on the stream object itself. That is what the first definitions are. Stream is representing what? A sequence of an objects or the sequence of an elements which are always derived from arrays or collections or input and output resources. Once you got the stream object, you can perform any kind of an aggregate operations such as sorting, such as filtering, such as what? Such as map, so transformation of the data using map operation. Okay, you can collect the stream data into another collection object as well by using collect method. All such a kind of an operations which you can perform on what? Streams are. That is what the simple definition about the stream. Okay, when it comes for a technicality, okay, so when it comes for the technicality, sir, stream is nothing but it's a typed collection, sir. Okay, stream is it's a typed interface, which means the stream can be defined for any kind of an objects or any kind of an objects or stream of characters or stream of numbers or the stream of an employees or customers or cities. So technically we can say it's a typed interface. Typed interface means it can take any input. It can take any input, sir. Stream interface can take any kind of an input, such as what number or character or the string or an employees or the cities or customers. Okay. For the developer point of view, sir, it is a new concept. It just look like as in the collection, but in fact, much different from the collection, sir. Okay. So different. So there is a functionally there is the difference between the streams and the collections, sir. Streams is meant for one purpose, collections is meant for another purpose, sir. From Java 8 onwards, to define the stream object, the Oracle Corporation has given one predefined interface called what? Stream interface. Understood? Understood, sir, everyone? So what is in order to define the stream object from Java 8 onwards, the Oracle Corporation has given what interfaces, sir? Stream interfaces, sir. Stream interface. That is a typed interface which can hold any type of data. Simple. Which can hold any type of data of the stream object. That's all. Okay. So when it comes for the characteristics of the stream, sir, which we are already discussed in the last week, the elements of the stream. Okay. Okay, the elements of the streams are the elements of the stream always going to be in the sequence of an elements, and always the stream source should be what? Collection or arrays or the input and output resources, sir. And as I already told you, sir, once you got the stream object, you can apply with what? Some of the aggregate operations such as what? Filters, map, sort, okay, transformations, okay, all these things which you can apply with what? Aggregate operations, sir. So when it comes for automated iterations, stream operations carried out iterations internally over the source of an element, as an opposed to the collections, which is explicitly iterations are required, sir. The point here you need to understand with respect to the automated iterations are nothing but an, see, sir, automated iterations are nothing but an what? Stream operations will be carried out internally. Internally means, okay, internally. So iterations will be happened in the stream object. When it comes for the collection object, sir, iterations are required explicitly by using iterator or list iterator, enumerations, okay, or for each loop. Iterations are required in the collections explicitly, sir. But whereas in the stream operation, iterations are done at internally, sir. Understand, everyone? Yeah. Clear, sir, everyone? Yes. So these are the sequence of an elements, sir. These are nothing but an what? The sequence of an elements. So next, coming to the next one, sir. These are the different ways. These are the different ways to define the stream object, sir. Okay. Stream dot empty, sir. Stream dot empty, which will return what? A stream of an object, but the stream of an object I decided to hold with what? String type of data. Understand, sir? Stream.empty method, sir, which will give you an empty stream object and decided to hold with what type of value? String type of value, sir. String type of values. Okay. And we can also create like as an the stream from the collections as well. Okay. If you have any kind of the data of a list or the set, sir, you can convert that list of an object or the list of the names or the set of the names into a stream object as well. Simply collection object name dot collection object dot stream method, which will give what? Respect to the stream object. Understood? That is the second source of creating the stream object, sir. When it comes for the when it comes for what? Third mechanism to store within the stream object from array, sir. Okay. So when you have an array of values here, you can convert this array of value into the stream as well, sir. Simple. Arrays is one of the utility class in java.util package. There is the method called stream method. So where you can pass what? Array name, sir. Then automatically it will return as an what? The stream of strings. That's all. Nothing more than that. Hope you guys are understood, everyone. So these are the three ways of creating like as in the stream object, sir. One is what? Stream or stream object to the stream dot empty method. Another one is what? You can create a stream from the existing collection object. The third one is what? You can create a stream from the array as well, sir. That's all. Okay. These are the three ways, sir. And we do have the fourth mechanism to create a stream object by using the builder method, sir. This is the another way of creating the stream object, sir. Okay, this is the another way of using the stream. This is another way of creating the stream object using builder pattern. Okay, yes. So as of now, for the time being, you can ignore it, sir. So later you can get it to the more knowledge on the builder part. Okay, yes. So as we are already discussed it, sir. So basically we do have the two kinds of the stream operations, sir. Okay, as you can go with what we do have like as in the two types of the stream operations, intermediate operations and the terminal operations, sir. Okay, so there are the two kinds of an operations are there in the streams. One is what intermediate operations, another one is what terminal operations, sir. Okay, so what is the difference between intermediate operations and terminal operations, sir? As I already told you in the last week, intermediate operations, always a return type of the intermediate operations means nothing but an always returning the stream of an object, sir. Okay, see, if you see here, filter method, if you take a filter method or the map method or sorted method or the distinct method, sir, all this method, the return type will be what? Stream object, sir. All these methods, all this method, the return type is what? Stream object. Okay, the stream object, sir. Whenever the particular stream operation method return type is on the stream means, then we can consider it as intermediate operation. Understand, guys, everyone? Whenever the particular stream method return type is on what? Return type as in what? Stream object means you can consider it as an what? Intermediate operation, sir. Understood, sir? When it comes for the terminal operation, sir, the return type of the stream operation method is a non-stream object, sir. Such as for each method return type is what? Void, sir. Collect method return type is what, sir? So collect method return type is also something what? Void here. Okay, reduce, match, count. These are non-stream return types, sir. These are non-streams return type. Understand non-streams return type, sir. Understand non-streams return type. That's why we can call it as an what? Terminal operations. And these are nothing but an what? Stream. Stream return types. The return type of all these methods are nothing but an stream, sir. That's why we can call it as an what? Intermediate operation. And we can also terminal operations means nothing but an what? If a particular stream operation method return type is non-stream means, then definitely we can call such a method, call such operation called terminal operation. Hope you guys are comfortable. Come on, guys, quickly. Hope you guys are comfortable or not? Everyone. Everyone, is that clear? So far? Right. Okay. So, and then we talked about with what, sir? The life cycle of the stream, sir. And we talked about with what? Life cycle of the stream. Okay. Yeah. So see, sir. So as I already told you, sir, always we are going to get like as in the stream object, always we are going to get the data of the stream from where? Arrays or collections or IO channels. Okay. Always the stream source we are getting from where? Arrays, collections or IO channels. So you can create like as in the stream instance, sir. Okay. Once you create like as in the stream instance here, you can apply with what, sir? Number of intermediate operations. Okay. Once you get the stream object in your Java program, once you get the stream object in your Java program, you can apply as many as number of intermediate operations, sir. You can apply as many as number of intermediate operations. Okay, some stream. So see, it is not at all mandatory to have to, it is not at all mandatory to apply the intermediate operations, sir. That's why I mentioned with what? Okay, once you convert that stream object, either you can apply with what? Intermediate operations, or else you cannot apply, the intermediate operations, sir. That's why I clearly mentioned with what? 0 or more. 0 or more. You can have with what? 0 or more intermediate operations. Okay. At the end, finally, so see, sir, finally, what you need to apply, sir? Terminal operation. Finally, you are going to apply with what? Terminal operations, sir. After completing all intermediate operations, you need to apply at the end with what? Terminal operations, sir. As I already told you, sir, in the last week, okay, whenever the terminal operation is executed, then only the respective intermediate operations will be executed, sir. Understand my point, guys, everyone? So intermediate operations means what? Filtering the data, sorting the data, and the converting the data, type conversion, nothing but an transformations and mapping, and all these are nothing but an intermediate operations, sir. Once you apply all this kind of an intermediate operations, you need to apply at the end what? Terminal operations, sir. Then only the terminal operation then once the terminal operation got executed, then only the intermediate operations will be executed in the stream life cycle. Understand my point, guys, everyone? So when does the intermediate operations will be executed? Can you guys please confirm? When does the intermediate operations are executed, sir? When does the intermediate operations got executed? When does the intermediate operations got executed, sir? When the terminal operations, when the terminal operations, okay, when the terminal operations, sir, whenever the terminal operation got executed, sir, then only the intermediate operations will be executed. Remember that point. That is the main intention of giving you here as an what? Stream life cycle, sir. Okay. So can we apply like as an the more than one intermediate operation on the stream object? Can you guys please confirm? Sir, these are the such type of questions you will get, sir, on interview. Okay. So is it possible to apply more intermediate operations on the stream object or not? Happily, sir. As many as number of intermediate operations you can apply it on what? Stream object. No doubt about that one. Okay. And those all intermediate operations will be executed once the terminal operation got encounter. Okay. Once the terminal operation got encounter, then only the intermediate operations will be executed. Remember this point. Okay. After executing the terminal operation only, you will get the result, sir. You will get like as in the result of our stream operation. After executing, okay, after executing, sir. Okay, after executing, sir, after executing the terminal operation, sir, you are going to get like as in the result of the terminal operation at the end, sir. Clear? This is about with the stream life cycle, sir. Okay, fine. This is all about with the stream life cycle. So in the stream life cycle, what you need to understand, where you are getting the stream source, sir, where you are getting like as in the stream source, nothing but an arrays and collections. Okay, nothing but arrays and collections, sir. After getting that to the stream source, you can convert, you can apply with what number of intermediate operations, as many as you require. And these intermediate operations will be executed until unless terminal operations got executed, sir. That's all. Finally, once that operations got executed, so the result of that operation will be displayed on the screen. That's all. That may be an what? Counting of all the employees in an organization, or summing of all the salaries of an organization, collecting the data in the form of list object, collecting the data in the form of the map object, collecting the data in the form of what? Set object. Those are nothing but an operation results. Understood, guys, everyone? Yes, sir. 0 or more. Once you got like as in the stream object, sir, without intermediate operation as well, you can execute with what? Terminal operation straight away. So intermediate operation is not at all mandatory to have. So whether it's purely depends upon your business, whether you want to perform any filter operation or sort operation or any transformation operation. Understand? Clear? Yeah. So see, sir, and coming to the IDE, sir. Coming to the IDE. Okay. Yeah. So see, sir, this is what the workspace which we have created on the last workshop, sir. Okay. If you remember correctly, so as I already told you, so we do have a customer class. Okay, we do have a customer class which contains what? Customer ID, name of the customer, location of the customer, email ID of the customer, contact number of the customer, sir. Okay, and as well as which will contains what? Address. Address. Which will contains what? Address property. Address property of type is what? List of address. So for every customer can have multiple address, maybe on the office address or home address or house address, right, sir? We can have the multiple addresses. That's why we have taken like as an address type as an what? List, sir. Okay. So when it go to the address, sir, address contains what? Door number, street name, and city name, sir. City name. That's all. These are the three properties we do have. We defined like as in the constructor here for initialization purpose, and we have generated the setter and getter properties for this class, setter and getter properties for these methods, and generated the toString method as well. Understood? And at the same way, in the customer class as well, sir, we define the constructors and we define the setter and getter methods for these properties, and we overridden with what? toString method as well, sir. That's all. Hope you guys are clear about these two classes. Hope you guys are clear about these two classes or not. Yes, fine. So, and I have created one more class as well, that is called customer utility class, customer utils class, which is generating some static data of the customer, sir. Which is generating some static data of the customer. Understand? Which is generating some static data of the customer, sir. Okay. So if you see here, sir, in this method, we have defined the two address objects. One address object is representing for what? Home address. Another address object is representing what? Office address. And we created a couple of customers. We just created a couple of customers, sir. That every customer will have these two addresses. Understood my point, guys? And so finally, we are returning with what? List of customers, sir. Finally, we are returning with what? The list of customers. So now tell me, okay, in the customer utils class of this method, which will give the static data of the customer's information or not? Come on, guys. The customer utility class, in the customer utility class, this get customer data method will give you what? Some static data of the customers or not? Yes, definitely. Okay. Yes. This is the three classes, sir. These are the three classes which we have already inbuilt, sir. Okay. So that is called customer class and address class and customer utility class, customer utils class. Okay. Yes. So let us see, sir. I'm going to create a new class, sir. I'm just creating a new class, Java 8 Java 8 streams demo, sir. Okay. Java 8 streams demo class. Okay. This is the class. Okay. And I'm just defining the main method. Okay. Yes. First, I wanted to get the data. I wanted to get the customers data from, I wanted to get the customers data, sir. Get the customer data. Okay. Simple. So getting the customer data, sir. Customer data. That's all. Okay. Yes. So how can I get the customers data? So that is customer utility class dot get customer data, which is returning what? Customer, which is nothing but an what? List of customers. This is customers list. Customers list. That's all. This is nothing but an customers list. And import the statements, sir. Alt enter to import the statements. That's all. So means we are getting that customers list, sir. Okay. So how can I display the customers information? Basically, without Java 8, how can I display the customers information, sir? How can I display the customers information without Java 8? How can I display the customers information without Java 8? Using iterator or list iterator or using for each loop, right or not, sir? Right or not? Before Java 8, so before Java 8, customer list displaying, sir. Customer list displaying. Okay, how can I do that one, sir? So customer list, okay, simple. So that is so iterator, something what customer object, okay, something what customer object, customer iterator is equal to customer list dot iterator, sir. Okay, this is the iterator object. Okay, This is the iterator object, sir. Okay, import the class. And then what I need to do, sir, while customer iterator dot has next, whether that iterator contains the next element or not. If it is having the next element means, so you need to get like as on the current element, sir. So that is customer is equal to, so typecast to customer, sir. Typecast to customer. And the system dot out println. Okay, customer object printing. That's all. This is the way of displaying the customers list by using the before the Java 8, sir. Just right click on it, run as what? Java 8 stream demo.java. Just yeah. So see, sir, we got like as in the customers information or not? So total 7 customers information which we got using Java. Yes, so we got like as on the customer 7 customers details here, and we just displayed that customer details by using what, sir? Iterator or not? Iterator before Java 8, sir. Now I wanted to displaying the customers, okay, using Java 8, sir. Using Java 8. Okay, using Java 8 concepts. Understand, sir? Using Java 8 concepts, sir. Using Java 8 concepts. That is for each loop, sir. For each method. So see, sir, display the customers, display like as on the customers list using Java 8, using Java 8 concept called what? Using Java 8 terminal operation, sir. Using Java 8 terminal operation. Okay, one of the terminal operations, sir, we do have. That is for each, sir. Okay, that is for each. Understand? Understand my point, guys? So observe carefully. Observe carefully. So what I'm going to do here, sir, I wanted to display with what? The customers list using Java 8 terminal operation, sir. Okay, using Java 8 terminal operation. Okay, observe carefully. So first step, what I need to do, sir? First, convert the customers list, convert the customers list, okay, customers list into stream object. How can you convert the customer list into stream object? Customer list dot stream, sir. What does the stream will contains? Can you guys please confirm? Stream will contain what? Customer stream. That's all. Hope you guys are comfortable. The first one. Everyone. Right, sir. This is the way of converting the customer list into the stream object, sir. This is the way of converting the customer list into stream object. So what does the stream will contains? What does the stream will contains? Customers or not? Stream will contains what? Customers or not? Yes. So now the second step is what? After getting the stream object, so apply the for each method, sir. Apply the for each method. Apply like as in the for each method, sir. What I can do, sir? So customer stream dot for each method. Okay, for each method, sir. For each method is taking what parameter, sir? Consumer functional interface as a parameter. Okay, what do you mean by consumer functional interface? Consumer functional interface is nothing but what? Taking one input and processing that input, right or not, sir? Consumer is the one of the predefined functional interface, sir, which contains one abstract method called accept method. That accept method is taking what? Typed parameter and process that parameter. That's all. Understood? Understood, sir? So you can define what customer consumer, sir. Okay, this is what customer consumer is equal to. So cust, sir, you can take any variable name, sir. You can take any variable name. It's up to your wish. So it is taking with what? Customer name and system dot out dot println of customer. That's all. That's all. This is the consumer of customer. This is the consumer of customer, sir. What it is doing, sir? What the consumer of customer is taking? It's taking what customer and displaying that customer. Understand, sir? So now what you are trying to do, sir, basically, you are just iterating the customer stream. That's why I'm going to pass what? Customer consumer. That's all. Done. Done. Hope you are clear. This is the consumer functional interface implementation, sir. As you are already know that one, consumer is a functional interface which contains what? One abstract method. That abstract method name is what? Accept, sir. That accept method is taking one input, and this is nothing but an what? Processing that input, sir. Nothing more than that. Hope you guys are comfortable. Here, third one is what? Passing the customer consumer. Okay, passing the consumer functional interface as a parameter to for each method. That's all. That's all. Hope you are clear about these 3 steps, everyone. Sir, remember this point. For each method always taking with what? Consumer as a functional interface. So you can have the multiple consumers, but we are calling the for each method on what? Customer stream. Definitely you need to have what? Consumer customer. You need to have like as in the consumer which accepts the customer object. That need to have. If you develop with one more consumer, sir. Okay, consumer, that is a string type. This is so string consumer, sir. This is nothing but an what? String consumer and st, and then followed with what? System.out.println st. That's all. So this consumer is help for what? Taking the input as on the string and displaying that input as on the string or not. Here, taking the customer as an input or customer object as an input and displaying that object, nothing more than that. So this is another way of defining the consumer string, sir. So this consumer string is nothing but an what, sir? This is taking what? Input as on the string and displaying that the string or not, taking the input as on the string and displaying that string or not. And you can define one more consumer, okay, for displaying what? Integers. Okay, so for displaying what? Integers, sir. So that is integer consumer, that is something what? Number, and then go with what? System.out.println of number, sir. That's all. Hope you guys are comfortable. So you can define multiple consumers. Consumer will always takes one customer object and displaying that customer object. Here it is taking what? String object it is taking and it is displaying that string object. Number object, integer object it is taking and displaying that integer value. Right now we are displaying with what? Customer stream of customers. So for that I just passed as an what? Consumer as a consumer which accepts the customer object and displaying that customer object. Nothing more than that. So see, sir, what I can do here is system.out.println having some separator, sir. Having some separator. That's all. So this is a okay, system.out.println. That's all. Okay, that's all. Empty line, sir, and then having the separator. Right click, run as what? Java. So observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. Have you iterated that list of customers using Java 8 or not? Let me have one thing. So Java 8 for each method. Okay, that's all. Just will have that one, sir. Run as what? Java application. Okay, yeah. So see, sir, Java 8 for each method, we are able to display or not, sir? Okay, so now tell me, before Java 8, this much lines of code we have written. But after Java 8, how many lines of code we have to return, sir? Single line. You can convert into what? A single line as well, sir. Understand? You can convert this one into what? So once you create a customer stream, you can straight away you can apply with what? For each method. Okay, simple. You can write a revised code, sir. This is nothing but on what? Revised code. Okay. Revised code, sir. You can write in this manner, sir, as well. Okay. So you have customer list dot stream method. You can apply it, and then straight away you can apply with what for each method, where you can take where you can get what each customer object, and you can display it what customer object. That's all. This is the revised code, sir. This is the revised code. So now tell me, right, displaying the customer list using Java 8 is a simple. Java 7 before Java 8 is a simple. Come on, guys, everyone. This is the revised code for displaying the customers list. That's all. Nothing more than that. Now tell me, guys, which code is a simple, sir? Which code isn't simple? Java 8 code isn't the very simple. With this single line of code, I can display the customer's information. Simple, as much as simple. Before Java 8, so how many things we need to do? I need to create a iterator object. I need to check whether the iterator contains the elements or not. If yes, I need to get the current element and I can convert into what customer and display that customer. This much of lines of code is required to write to display the customers list. But when it comes for Java 8, so we do have a simple process. Clear, sir, everyone? Sir, you can create as many as number of consumers. It's up to your requirement. It's up to your requirement. As of now, I do not have any kind of the requirement for that one. So which will requires what? This one. Hope you are clear. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine, sir. Fine. Hope you are clear, sir, with this terminal operation. Hope you guys are clear with this terminal operation, sir. Sir, in this the stream operation, do we have any intermediate operations? Straight away I applied with what? Terminal operation. Tell me, guys. Do we have any intermediate operations, sir, in this line of code? No intermediate operation. That's why I mentioned as in what? 0 or more intermediate operations, sir. It is not at all mandatory to have what? Intermediate operations in the stream life cycle. It's up to your business. That's all. Clear? Yeah. Now coming to the next one, sir. So let us try to understand some stream operations, sir. So filter operations, sir. So basically, filter is an intermediate operation in the streams, sir, which is used for what? Filtering the data. So filtering the data, sir. Filtering the data over the collection objects and array of an objects, sir. Okay, what do you mean by filter, sir? When you are searching something in the Flipkart website, at the left-hand side, you are filtering the products based on the company name and based on the price range or not? Come on, guys. What do you mean by filter? In the layman terminology, what do you mean by filter, sir? Where you have seen the filter in the applications? So when you are browsing the products in online shopping websites, sir, you people may have seen like a lot of filters. You can filter the products based on what company. Okay, you can filter the products based on the price range. You can filter the products based on the rating, right, sir? Right or not? Yes. So exactly for that purpose only we are going to go with what? Filter operations, sir. Filter is used for what? Filtering the data. So where it can filter the data, sir? Over the collection object or area of an object, sir. Understand, sir? And in the stream interface, sir, in the stream interface, they given like as in the predefined method called what? Filter method, which accepts one parameter, sir. That is called predicate. What do you mean by predicate, sir? What do you mean by predicate? What do you mean by predicate? What do you mean by predicate? Predicate is the one functional interface, sir. Predicate is also a one functional interface which contains what? Which contains one abstract method that is called test method, sir, which is taking what? One input and returning what? Boolean value. Understood, sir? Predicate is the one of the functional interfaces, sir, which contains what? One abstract method. Which contains what? One abstract method. That abstract method is taking one input. And the return type of that input is what? Return type of the abstract method is what? Boolean. So predicate is purely meant for what, sir? Conditional checks. Whether you want to filter the products based on what? Based on the rating. Okay. So whether you want to filter the products based on what? Company. Whether you want to filter the products based on the price range. So that is what? Conditional checks. So predicate is purely for what, sir? Conditional checks, sir. It will take some inputs, sir. It will take some input. That input may be on what? Company name. And it is giving what? As a result. It is taking one input and giving what? Whether your product is related to that company or not. If yes, then it will return that product. Otherwise, it won't return that product, sir. Understand, sir? Understand? Predicate is the one of the predefined functional interface which contains one abstract method. That abstract method name is what? Test method, sir, which accepts one input, and the return type of that abstract method is what? Boolean. That's all. That is what this is what the syntax, sir. This is what the syntax for filter method. Understood, sir? Everyone. So the public methods are everyone can access. The return type of the method is what? Stream. And the name of the method is what? Filter. And which is taking what? Predicate functional interface as a parameter, sir. Nothing more than that. Okay. Yeah. Clear, guys, everyone? Okay. Yeah. So this is the syntax of a filter method, sir. This is the syntax of a filter method. The public methods are everyone can access, sir. The return type of the stream methods, sir. The return type is nothing but an the stream object. So now tell me, this will comes under as an what? Intermediate operation or terminal operation, guys? This will comes under what? Intermediate operation or terminal operation? Intermediate operation, right? Yes, it is an intermediate operation, sir. Okay, let us see here, sir, with an example. Okay, so see, sir, you have a list of names. So for example, you have some list of names, sir. Okay, that list of names, first you need to you have the list of names in the collection object. You have some list of names in the collection object. So what you need to do, sir? You need to convert this list of names into what? Stream object, sir. That is the stream object. What does the stream object will contains? What does the stream object will contains? Stream object will contains what? Strings. Strings. Stream object is also contains what? Strings only, sir. Once you got the stream object, you can apply with what? Filter object. You can apply with what? Filter condition. What is our filter condition, guys? What is our filter condition? What is our filter condition, sir? So we have a filter condition. We wanted to get only the names of an employee. We wanted to get only the names of the persons or the names of an employee whose names length is less than 5, sir. Whose names less than or equal, whose names less than or equal to 5. Okay, so that's why we got only the few results. We got only the few results, sir, here. We got only the few results here, saying that as in what? Raju, Rani, Ashok and Kumar, sir. So means it's nothing but these names of an employee, these names of the person or an employee which is having less than or equal to 5 or not, sir? Come on, guys. Right or not? Right or not, guys? Yes. So hope you guys are understand about the filter operation. So you have a bunch of names. You have a bunch of names initially in the collection object. That bunch of names we are converted into stream object. After converting that is the stream object, you are applying with what? Filter condition. What is our filter condition, sir? Filter will take one input. One input is nothing but what? Name of the student or name of an employee or name of a person. It will take that input name as a string. and it will check whether that length is less than or equal to 5 or not. If less than or equal to 5 means returns true. Otherwise, it will return false. Whatever the string it is returning as on the true, that will get display. Understood? Let's do this one, sir. Let's do this one in the IDE. Okay. Let's do this one in the IDE, sir. So this is for this is for what, sir? Filter operation, sir. Okay. This is for what? This is for what? The filter operation. Observe carefully, sir. First, let me create a stream object. Let me create a stream object of a string type. Okay, that is names stream. Names stream is equal to arrays dot as list of, okay, arrays dot as list of something what Mahesh, okay, Suresh and Ashok, okay, and Raju and Rani, okay, then followed with what? Something Raju and Rani, and then followed with what? Ajay, okay, Ajay, and then followed with what, sir? Something Ramesh. That's all. These are the names we have. These are the names we have, sir. Okay. So that names dot, we have some names. Okay. We have some names. Okay. This is nothing but an what? List of strings. That is names list. That's all. Okay. Then followed with what, sir? Converting the names list into stream object. How can you convert that names list into stream object? Names list dot stream method, and the return type is what? Stream of strings. Okay, the return type is nothing but an what? Stream of strings. That's all. Hope you guys are comfortable. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do, sir? So defining the predicate. Defining what? Predicate, sir. Defining for what? Predicate, sir. Okay, defining with the predicate. Predicate contains one abstract method, that is accept method, which is taking what? One parameter, and the return type of this method is what? Boolean, sir. Okay, Boolean. So let us define the predicate. Let us define the predicate, sir. Okay, so predicate which is taking with what? Boolean. Boolean is going to return type. Okay, this is for length predicate, sir. This is for length predicate. Okay, what it will do, sir? It will take one string. Okay, it will take one string, sir. Okay, if st dot, it will take like as in what? One string, sir. Okay, yeah, that's all. 1 minute. 1 minute. That's all. Okay, so st dot length length less than or equal to 5. Okay, length less than or equal to 5, sir. That's all. Hope you are clear. 1 minute. Predicate which allows only the one input. 1 minute, sir. Sorry, this one. That's all. Clear, sir? This is the length predicate, sir. What it is doing, sir? Predicate which is taking only the one string and validating that is the string length, sir. If it is less than or equal to 5 means it will return true, sir. Whatever the input you have received here as an st of each string, sir, that st length is less than or equal to 5 means it will return that string. If the length greater than, if it is length is greater than 5 means then it won't return that the string, sir. That's all. Okay, this is nothing but an what? Length predicate. Okay, you can build your conditions using these predicates. As of now, our condition is what? If the name is if the name length is less than or equal to 5 means you need to display those lists. That's all. Okay, fine. So now apply the filter operation, sir. Apply with what? Filter operation. Apply with what? Filter operation, sir. Okay, so see, sir, that is string stream dot filter method. Okay, filter method, sir. And this is nothing but an what? Length predicate. Okay, you can pass it, and for each method you can supply it where you get like each string here and display that each string. Understand? Understand, sir? That's all. Hope you are clear. So what we are doing, sir, here, we build like as an one predicate, sir. What is that predicate conditional checks? If the length is less than or equal to 5 means that that string will return. Okay, whatever the strings are going to return here, I am just displaying on the screen. Nothing more than that. Understood? Understood, sir. Okay, first we are applying, first we have like as in the stream of strings, sir. On that the stream of strings we applied with what? Filter condition. That filter condition is what? Taking one input of every stream, taking every input stream and converting with what? And just checking with what length is less than or equal to 5. If it is less than or equal to 5 means it will display that one. That's all. So just verify it, sir. Just verify it. Run as a Java application. Run as what? The Java application, sir. So see, sir, which values you are getting? Which values you are getting? Ashok, Raju, and Rani and Ajay. These are the length less than or equal to 5 or not? The names whose length less than or equal to 5 employees. So names we are getting or not on the list? Come on, guys. We are just displaying what? Whose names less than or equal to 5 characters. That's all. Clear, everyone? We are getting only the employees whose names less than or equal to 5 characters, sir. That's all. Okay. If you want one more condition as well, if you want like as an, you wanted to get only the customers who are residing at Hyderabad, sir. Okay. That is also filter condition, right? That is also filter condition, right, sir? That is also the filter condition or not? Wanted to get like as in the customers who are residing at what? Hyderabad. I wanted to get that one. Okay. Yes. So for that case, what I need to do, sir? I have like as in the customers list. Okay. Observe carefully, sir. Okay. Getting the customers who resided in Hyderabad. Resided in Hyderabad. Okay. So observe carefully, sir. Customer list object dot stream method, then apply with what? Filter method, and we are getting each customer object, and each customer object get location. Okay. Each customer object city, sir. Okay. What is that city? That is Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay. Hyderabad dot. Okay. Equals of cust dot get customer location dot to uppercase. See, to uppercase, sir. That's all. Understand? So what is the filter condition here we do have? So we are going to get like as an each customer here. Okay, each customer to the filter method, and whether that customer value is what? Hyderabad or not. If it is customer location is in Hyderabad means, then I can display it those customers. Then for each. Okay, then for each, sir. For each, which is taking what? Each customer object and displaying with what? Sir, customer object, sir. Nothing more than that. You have already with what? Customer consumer, right? You can supply it. For each method, you can go with what? Customer consumer. Okay, that's all. Done. So means now tell me, sir, what we are trying to do here? Now what we are trying to do? So we are just finding the customers who are residing at what? Hyderabad. So before that an example. So total how many customers are there in our total how many customers are there? 7 customers are there, sir. Total 7 customers are there, sir, in our list. So out of that 7 customers, 3 employees are residing at what? Hyderabad. So we are trying to fetch only Hyderabad customers information, nothing more than that. Hope you are understand about this code. Any doubts? Everyone, could you please confirm? Any doubts? This is the condition, sir. Every customer object we are validating. Every customer object we are validating, sir. So whether that customer location is Hyderabad or not. If it is in Hyderabad, then I'm going to display that customer information. Clear? Just right click, run as what? Java here. See, sir, we got only the Hyderabad related customers or not here? We got Hyderabad related customers or not here? Come on, guys. Okay. Yes. So see, sir, here we are taking with what? Customer consumer, sir. Customer consumer means what? So it is taking a customer object and displaying that customer object. That implementation I required here for each method, so that I can call that method. That's all. Nothing more than that. Sir, first we are converting the list into stream object. Once you converted that into the stream object, sir, then only you can apply with what? Filter condition. Okay, then only you can apply with what? Filter condition, sir. Filter is used for filtering the data. Okay, what part is our filter condition? Wanted to get like as in the customers who are residing at Hyderabad. That's all. That is our filter condition, sir. So once we got that particular customer information, so we are displaying on the screen. That's all, using for each method. Is that clear, Bhaskar, for you? We are filtering the customers based on the city. Okay, and each, if it is, if condition is satisfied, that customer information will be displayed on the screen. Okay, yeah. Yeah, 54th line means nothing more, Akshay. So where you can join it here. Okay, where you can join it here as well. Okay, but for the space issue, I'm just getting into here. That's all. For each method, displaying with what? Customers information, nothing more. Okay, this is the one way of the filter condition, sir. Filter is especially for used for what? Filtering the data, guys. Filtering the data. It's purely depends on your business requirement. You can filter the data over the collections. Over the collections. Okay, yeah. Let's get into the another kind of the stream operation, sir. That is called map. Sir, this map operation is different and java.util.map object is different, sir. Okay, remember that point. Before starting of this the discussion, sir, this map operation is different from map object. Okay, yes. See, map is also what type of an operation, guys? Map is also what type of an operation? Intermediate operation, sir. Map is also an intermediate operation. Why? Because the return type of this method is what? A stream type of an object. Because the return type of the map, map method is stream type of an object, sir. That's why the map is also an what? Intermediate operation, sir. Okay. In some situations, sir, in some situations, we wanted to perform the operation. We wanted to perform some operation on the each element of the collection or each element of the stream. Understand my point, guys? Whenever you want to do some kind of an operation on each element of the stream object or each element of the collection object or each element of an array object, then definitely we need to go for what? Map operation. Map operation, sir. Understand, sir? Basically, the map operation is used for what? Transformations. Transformations. What do you mean by transformations? Converting from one object type to another object type. Okay. So for example, you have a list of square you have a list of square boxes, sir. You have a list of square boxes. I wanted to convert the each square box into a circle. Okay, I wanted to convert that each square box into a circle. Then definitely I need to go for what? Map operation, sir. Whenever you guys wanted to convert the elements of the stream from one type to another type, definitely you need to go for what? Map operation. Understand? Yes. So here we do have some examples. Okay, converting the names of an employee from lower case to uppercase. Okay, lowercase to uppercase, or transforming or converting the object from one type to another type, converting from user object to user DTO, or something like customer object to customer DTO. Okay, customer DTO to customer object. Such a kind of such a type of transformations are required when you are working with what? REST API development, right? Such a cases also you can use for what? Map. Okay, converting the string type of values into a wrapper class objects. Okay, extracting the particular property from the object of an information. Whenever you guys wanted to extract a particular property from another object, then you can go with what? Map. Understand, guys? Understand my point or not? So what is the main purpose of map operation, sir? Can you guys please confirm? What is the main purpose of the map operation? What is the main purpose of map operation, guys, everyone? Which is used for converting the one object, used for transforming, sir, used for transformation of the data from one object to another object. Okay, yes, that is what the importance of the map. So here is the best example. You have a list of square boxes, and that square boxes wanted to convert into what? Circles. That is called transformation, converting from one type to another type, square boxes to circle type. That is called conversion transformations. Okay, see, sir, here we do have some examples. Okay, so let us try to understand the syntax first. So it is a public method, sir. Everyone can access. The return type of the method is what? Stream. And the name of the method is what? Map. And the map method is taking what? Function parameter, sir. What do you mean by function, sir? Function is also one of the predefined functional interface. One is also one of the predefined functional interface, sir, which contains one abstract method. That abstract method name is what? Apply. That abstract method name is what? Apply, sir. That apply method return type is what? Accepting one input and returning what? One output. Whatever the input it is taking here, that returning what? Output, sir. Understand? So here is an examples. You have a list of strings in the lower cases, and I wanted to convert into uppercase of each element of the list. Then I can go for what? Map. You have a user object. And you wanted to convert into what? User DTO. Then I need to go for what? Map. Okay. So for example, you have a list of numbers, and each number should I need to calculate the square of the given number. I wanted to calculate the each number. I need to calculate the square of the each number, sir. Okay. So list of strings. Okay. So we have like as in the list of numbers. We have like as in the list of integers, and each number I need to calculate with what? Sum of the squares of the given number, sir. Okay, I wanted to calculate the square of the given number. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square will be 25, 6 square will be what? 36, 7 square will be what? 49, 8 square will be 80, is 84, sir. 64. Okay, we are calculating the square of the each number. Okay, and after that, what we are doing, sir? From this square, I wanted to filter the data. Which is greater than 9. Understand, sir? After applying the operation on the each element of the stream, sir, what you want to do? You wanted to perform with what? You wanted to filter the data only which is number greater than 9, sir. In such a case, this is what the result. In such a case, this is what the result for that. Hope you guys are comfortable. Everyone is that clear about the examples? Okay, fine. Okay, fine, sir. This is what the things, sir. Clear. Let us do one thing, sir. Let us do the same example with the IDE. Okay. Yeah. So see, sir. System.out.println. Okay. Sysout. Okay. This is for map operation, sir. This is for map operation. This is for map operation. So I'm going to take list of integers. I'm going to take list of integers, sir, such as numbers list. Numbers list, that is arrays dot as list of something 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4 5 6 6 7 and 8. Okay, that's all. That's all. So we do have some numbers in the list. So what I can do, sir, first I need to convert into stream object from list of numbers. Okay, yes, how can I do that one? Stream, then integer. Okay, that is number stream, sir. Numbers stream, and then numbers list dot stream function. That's all. We got here. We got here. Okay, and I'm going to build the function. I'm going to build the function, sir. Function is a one of the predefined functional interface which contains what? One abstract method. Okay, apply that abstract method name is what? Apply, sir, which is taking what? One input and returning what? Output as well. That's all. This is the definition of a function, sir, basically. Okay, what I can do here, sir, I'm going to build one function. So that function will take integer and giving also what? Integer only. And this is function, integer function, sir. Okay, integer function, which is taking what? Which is taking what, sir? Okay, which is taking what, sir? Some number and calculating with what? Number into number. That's all. That's all. Understood? This is the function, sir. Okay, this is a function where I can pass this function to map method. That's all. And I'm going to build what? One predicate. I'm going to build what? One predicate, which is taking an integer. Okay, integer predicate. Okay, that is number. It is taking what? Number and checking that number is greater than 9 or not. That's all. If it is number is greater than 9, I can pass. If it is number is greater than 9, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. That's all. What I can do, sir, here, I have now apply the map and filter. Okay, and for each. Observe carefully. So that is number stream dot map. Okay, map, which is taking what? Integer function, and dot filter, which is taking what? Integer predicate, and dot for each. Okay, for each. And I'm going to take what? One more consumer as well. Okay, that consumer, which is taking what? String consumer, and then is equal to each string we am going to take it here, the system.out.println st. That's all. Okay, where I can pass what? String. That's all, sir. Okay, that's all. Done. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, sir. String consumer 1, sir. This is consumer 1. That's all. It is taking 1 minute. Why it is taking here? Required type is okay, 1 minute st, then colon, a system dot, okay, system dot out dot println of st. That's all. Okay, fine. Fine, sir. This is what you can do. See, sir, we have a number of streams. That number of streams we are converted into what? The squaring of. Got it, sir. Got it. So here it is what? Integer, sir. Okay. So that integer I'm going to display it. Right, sir. Correct. Correct, sir. Correct. This is integer consumer. Okay. And we need to build like as in what? Consumer. That's all. Fine. Done. See, understand carefully, sir. To perform these operations, sir, we need 3 lambdas. Okay, one is what? Functional. Function is a one functional predefined. So one functional interface. Predicate is another functional interface. Consumer is another functional interface. So this function is what? Taking one input and giving what? Square of the given number. And predicate is taking what? One integer and giving what? Boolean value. And consumer is nothing but what? Taking one input and displaying that output. So map function is what the map function is doing, sir? Taking the each number and summing the and squaring of that given number, sir. And after squaring that given number, we are just checking with what? Filter condition. If that number is greater than 9 or not. If it is greater than 9, it will display. Otherwise, it will not display. That's all. Hope you understand, sir, everyone, about this operation. Come on, guys. Everyone, is that clear? Sir, if you are good at writing at lambda expressions, then working with the streams is easy for you, sir. Okay. Sir, for your understanding purpose, I am writing the code elaborative manner. For your understanding purpose, I am writing the code with the elaborative manner, sir. Otherwise, I can write in the short form as well. Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine. So just check it out, sir. What you are expecting, sir? What you are expecting for the map operation? So you just need to get like as in the numbers which is greater than 9 of the squaring of the given numbers. That's all. That's all. So we got that numbers or not? As per our operation, we got those numbers or not, guys? Okay. Yeah. Fine. That is a one kind of an operation about the map, sir, in the streams. Okay. Yes. So filter is used for what? Conditional checks. Used to perform with what? Conditional operations, sir. And whereas in the map is used for what? Just for transforming the data from one type to another type. That's all. Hope you clear. Just remember this an example. Sir, you no need to worry, sir. User and user DTO. I'm just giving you the example. User is an one object. User DTO is another Java object. If you want to convert the user object into user DTO, you need to go for what? Map. Okay. Yeah. That's all. Subodh. Is that clear? Yeah. Fine. So let us get into the another operation, sir. For each you already know that one. For each is a terminal operation because the return type of this method is what? Non-stream object. Non-stream object. That's why it will comes under what? Terminal operation, sir. For each method is taking one parameter, sir. That is consumer functional interface. Consumer functional interface means what? Taking one input and no output. No output, sir. Okay, and because that return type is what? Void. Okay, and this for each method is used for what, sir? Iterating the elements from the collection object or stream object. Okay, so for each method is used for what, guys? Used for iterating the elements from stream of an objects or collection of an objects, sir. Once this method got encountered, then only all intermediate operations will be executed in the stream of an operations that we are already discussed. Understood, everyone? Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. Fine. So the next one, sir. Next one. Okay. Next one. This is the find any operation, sir. Find any is also what? It is also one kind of a terminal operation, because the return type of this method is a non-stream object. Okay, because the name of the method is what? Non-stream object, sir. As the name suggests, find any method allows us to find with what? Any element, sir. Okay, find is used for what? Any element. Understand? Yeah. So see, sir, find any, as a name suggested, that as a name itself having the meaning. Find any method is used for what, sir? Used to allow to find any element from the stream, and it does not expect the, it doesn't expect which element will be returned, and which element will be returned, and returning the, and which element will be returned, sir. Okay. So the point here is, when you are calling like as in the find any method, when you are calling like as in the find any method on the stream object, sir, it will return some element. Okay, you do not bother about what type of and what element it will return from the collection or stream. Okay, but it will return some element, random element. It will give you what? Some random element, sir. And it return type is what? Optional object, sir. It is a return type is what? Optional, sir. Okay, and it is returning with what? Optional. Okay, so find any method is not taking any parameter, sir, and it is not at all taking any parameter. It will just give you what? Some random element from the stream. That's all. Okay, and optional is the one of the predefined class from Java 8 version, which it can be act like as an what? Container object, whether it is holding the data or not. Understand, sir? Optional is the one of the predefined object, sir. One of the predefined class from Java 8, which act like as an what? Container object. Whether that container object having is the data or not. If it is having the data or not, we need to go with what? Some utility methods. Some utility methods. Is present method and get method. Is present method will check whether the optional object contains the data or not. If yes, it will return true. If no, it will return false. Get method is used for what? Used for get the data from the optional object. Used for what? Just for getting the data from the optional object, guys. Understood? That is what the importance, sir. Okay, let us see, sir. Let us try to apply that find any method. So system dot out dot println, sir. Sorry. Okay, system dot out dot println. So this is find any operation. Find any operation, sir. Find any operation. Okay, yeah. So see, sir, you have some list of names, right, sir? That is names list dot stream, sir, and then names list dot stream, then find any method, sir. Call like what? Find any method. The return type is what? The return type is what? Optional object. Optional object which contains what? String data. String optional. That's all. Understand? So here what we define, sir? We just converted into the stream object and call like as an what? Find any method, sir. Find any method. The return type of the any method is what? Optional object. Optional object. Optional is the predefined class. Predefined class from Java 8 library, sir. From Java 8 library. Understand? Okay. Which acts as a container object. Container object to hold other objects. Okay. Checking utility methods. We do have some utility methods. Okay. Utility methods for checking the object is existed or not. Object is existed or not. Okay. That's all. So observe carefully, guys. If string optional dot is present means, okay, is present means, then I can get what? String optional dot get method. What it is going to return, sir? It is a string, the name of the string. Random element, sir. Random element it will returns. It will return what? Random element. Random name. Simply I can go with what? Some random name, guys. Okay. Some random name. Understood? That's all. Clear? Clear, sir. Okay. Name list dot stream object, sir, and I can apply with what terminal operation straight away on the stream object. Okay. So find any which is going to return what some random name, sir. Okay. If that random name is present or not, I'm just verifying that. Optional object, right? It is returning what optional object. If that optional object is present means, then I can get the element. If it is not present means, then I can say what? Element not found. Simple. I can say what? Element not found, sir. That's all. That's all. Okay. Just check it out, sir. Run as Java 8 streams. See, guys, it is returning what Mahesh or not? It is returning what Mahesh or not, sir? So if I'm going to return one more time, if I'm going to run them one more time, see, it is returning only the Mahesh. Randomly you can get it. Okay. Yeah. So this is the one way, sir. So whenever you want to return any kind of an element from the stream or the collection, sir, happily you can apply with what? Find any method. The return type of this method is what? Optional object. It is a container object which holds another object, sir. If that object contains the data or not, you can verify it by using what is present. It will return true or not. If it is present means it will be true, sir. If it is true means then you can get the data. Otherwise, if it is false means you can say that element not found. That's all. Clear? Clear, guys, everyone? Okay. That is the importance of find any method, sir. That is the importance of find any method. So we do have with the another. So if you see here, sir, I just given like as in the one example. So on intermediate operations and terminal operations, sir. Okay. So for example, I have some list of strings. That list of strings I have converted into stream object, and each string I wanted to convert into what? Each string I wanted to convert into what, sir? Capital letters, upper cases. And then I just displayed that operations or not? I just displayed that capital letters string or not? Capital names or not, sir? Capital letter names or not? Hope you are clear how to work with an intermediate operations and terminal operations. Okay, that is what the things are. Fine. So, and then what is the next operation, sir? Collect operation. This is very, very important, sir. Right now in the so far, what you are doing, what you did, sir? You have applied some sort of an operations and you are getting to displayed on the screen or not? Come on, guys. So far, you have performed the operations and everything operation should be displayed on the screen or not? Are you holding anywhere, sir? Are you holding anywhere? I believe no. We are not holding anywhere, right, sir? And now it's a time to have a requirement to hold the data. Understand? To hold the data. So observe carefully. What I can do here is system.out.println. This is for collect. This is for collect. Okay, collect operation. So observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. What I need to do? Names list dot stream method and then filter method. And what is that filter? Integer filter. Sorry, 1 minute. Length filter. Length predicate. So length predicate means what, sir? If the string is less than or equal to 5 or not. Every string, it will verify with what? Every string is less than or equal to 5 or not. If it is less than 5 means, then I'm going to collect the data. I'm going to collect the data and collected should be what? List. List. That's all. What you are getting? Here you are getting what? Integer. So here you are getting what? The list of strings. Okay. That is final list. Final names list, sir. Understand? Then you can print what? Final name list dot for each method. Okay. for each method, string consumer. Okay, so just a minute, let me get here. Okay, fine, no problem. So st and then followed with what, sir? System dot out dot println of st. That's all. Done. Clear. Hope you guys are comfortable. So what I did here, sir, instead of printing the data on the screen, sir, what I'm doing here, I'm just collecting the data. I'm just collect method. Collect method is for what? Collecting the data, sir. Collect method is for what? Collecting the data. But what data, which format you want? You want as in what? List format. I want what? The list format. Understood? No, I don't want. So I don't want the list. I want like as in another fashion. Okay, that is list of string. That is final names is equal to names list dot stream, sir. Names list dot stream filter condition same length predicate. Okay, dot. Okay, length predicate, sir. Length predicate. Then followed with what, sir? Here in case of list, I can go with what? Set. Set. Set, sir. Okay. Filter method dot collect method, then collectors dot to set method. That's all. Okay. Then final names dot for each method, final names dot, sorry. Final names dot for each method, sir, where you can get what? ST and each element get displayed. System dot out dot println of ST, sir. That's all. Okay. Done. Hope you are clear, sir. What is the collect method, sir? Collect method will comes under what? Intermediate operation or terminal operation? Collect method is meant for what? Intermediate operation or terminal operation? Terminal operation, sir. You are collecting the data. After filtering the data, you are collecting the data in the form of what notations? In the form of your required things, sir. Either in the list, either in the set. Understood? Either in the list, either in the set. That's all. Just check it out. So run as what? Java here. So see, sir, collect method is giving what? The things are not Ashok, Raju, and Rani and Ajay. This is the one thing. This is the list, sir. And this is what? Set, sir. This is nothing but a set. And this is nothing but an what? List. If you want to differentiate, you can have it. Okay. So here you can have it. System.out.println some dashes, sir. Some dashes. That's all. Nothing more. Okay. Fine. Clear. So this is the list data. And this is nothing but an what? The data. Okay. Yeah. So when you are preparing the list or the set, I wanted to be in a sorted order. I wanted to be in the names should be sorted order. Then what you need to do? Simple. After filtering, apply with what? Sorted. Sorted. That's all. That's all, sir. Okay. 1 minute, sir. Sorted, sir. That's all. Sorted. You can apply with what? Sorted function. Sorted is also what? One intermediate operation, sir. Sorted is also one intermediate operation. After filtering the data, I'm just sorting the strings. That's all. Nothing more than that. Run as what? Java. So now you are able to get the things as in what? In ascending order, sir. In ascending order. Right, sir? We got the things in ascending order or not here? Ashok and Ajay and Raju and Rani. Right? Understand? Clear? Fine. Yes, for each method is a non-stream object, sir. That's why we can consider it as an what? Terminal operation that is. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. That's all. Just check it out. Run as Java 8 streams. Okay, fine, sir. Clear? Any doubts about the collect method, sir? Collect method is used for what? Collecting the data, sir. Collecting the data. Just for collecting the data or repacking the elements into some data structures. Okay. Basically, the collect is a terminal operation. The return type of this method is what? Non-stream object. It is allows us to perform what? Mutable fold operations, sir. Such as what? Repacking the elements to some data structures and applying some additional logics to concatenation them and the data elements held in the stream instances, sir. Okay. In order to accumulate all the elements into the collection object, sir, what you need to do, sir? You need to call these respective methods. Collectors.toList to get the data in the list format. Collectors.toSet, which is used for getting the data in the set format. Okay. Collectors.toMap, getting the data as in what? Map format. Okay. And collectors.joining to separate the strings in the concatenation manner as a comma separated values. Understood? Understood? That is what you can do it. Okay. So see, sir, concatenation names list dot stream, sir. Okay. Then collect method. Okay. So then collect method. And what I can do, sir? Names dot stream method. And then apply with what? 1 minute. Filter. So that is length predicate dot collect method. Okay. Collectors dot to join method, sir. Okay. Collectors dot. This is the collect method, sir. Okay. Collect method. That is collectors dot to joining, sir. Okay. To joining method. One minute. To list grouping. Okay. Joining, sir. Joining. What is the delimiter, sir? Comma is the delimiter. That's all. So what it is going to return? That is nothing but a name, sir. Name comma separated. Names comma. Okay. That's all. So sysout. Okay. Sysout v. That's all. Names comma, sir. Name comma separated values. Okay. Names comma separated values. That's all. Just verify it, sir. Run as what? Java streams. So we got like as in the comma separated strings or not? Ashok, Raju, Rani, and comma Ajay. So before Java 8, you need to do lot of things. But in Java 8, we got a simple code. Right? So collectors dot to joining, sir. Collect method. You need to collect all the names who are whatever the length is greater than, whatever the length is less than or equal to 5. And that join as collectors dot to join of delimiter you can pass. You can pass any kind of delimiter. If you want like as an something what a pipe symbols, you can use it as an what pipe. Just run as what Java 8. So every name will be having like the delimiter with what pipe symbols. That's all. As per your convenience, you can pass any kind of delimiter. Understood? This is how you can like getting the data in the form of what comma separated values. Hope you are clear, everyone. Come on, guys. Everyone, is that clear? Any doubts? Okay. Yes. So these are the some of the interview questions, sir. These are the some of the interview questions on the Java 8 streams. So what do you mean by Java 8 streams? What is the differences between collections and collections and stream object? What are the various types of stream operations? What is the difference between intermediate operation and terminal operation? So example methods on intermediate operation and example methods on terminal operation. So up to these 6 questions, are you able to position to answer, sir? Everyone? So what is the importance of Java 8 streams? What is the difference between collections versus the streams? What are the different stream operations are there? Differences between intermediate versus terminal? And what are the example methods on intermediate? And what are the examples of terminal methods? Right, sir? Then, so, and as I already told you, write a code snippet for sorting of the strings in ascending order and descending order using Java 8 streams. Just now I shown you, right? So using the sort method, sir. Using like as in the sorted method, you can do with what? So to apply the sorting between the strings. Okay. This you need to just Google it, sir, related to maximum and the minimum salary of an employee. Okay. And how to convert the list into map object, and how to write a code snippet for constructing and comma separated string from the list, which we have discussed here. Okay. And so grouping we did not discuss it, sir. And we need to, so these are the some of the interview questions. These are the some of the important interview questions, sir, on related to Java 8. Understand? What is the function? So we talked about importance of what? Optional class. We talked about importance under the functional interfaces and the lambda expressions. Okay, fine. Fine. These are the some of the important interview questions related to Java 8, guys. How to convert that list object into the map object, sir? Yeah, I will write the code for that, sir. Okay, so see, sir. So we have already the customers list. We have already that customers list. Okay. Okay, customers stream, sir. And then collect method. Collect method. Okay, then map method, sir. To map method. So here the map should be what? Key should be customer ID, sir. Okay, customer ID. That's all. Okay, and then see, sir, to map method is taking what? Function, sir. And here we are going to get each customer object, and that customer object we are getting what? Customer ID, sir. Customer ID as a key. Okay, so whereas the value will comes what? Customer object, you are going to get each customer object as and the value as well. And then what you can say? So that is customer dot customer name, sir. That's all. Map string comma string, sir. That is customer map. That's all, sir. That's all. System.out.println, system.out.println. So that is customer map, sir. See, sir, what we are doing, sir? Customer stream dot collect method. Collect method. Collectors dot to map. Collectors dot to map. We are converting the customer's stream into what? Map object, sir. Okay. Map, as you are already know that one, map will contains what? Key and value. Okay. For the key, we are representing as an what? Customer ID. For the value, so it we are representing as an what? Customer name, sir. Okay. So to map method is taking what? Functional interfaces, sir. Function as a functional interface as a parameters. One for is key, another for is what? Value. Understood? This is the way to convert the convert like as in the stream object, to convert that stream object into map object. Just run with the Java 8 code. Just run with the right Java 8 code. Okay, so we require to expect one more here. To map. To map method this is, and this is the collector method. What you are getting? Okay, got it, sir. So here the customer ID is what? String, sir. Here the customer ID is what? String. That's why it is getting an error. Okay, fine. So customer ID as in the string, sir. Just run as what? Java 8 code here. Okay. So stream is already operated on somewhere. 1 minute. Customer. Okay, okay. Got it. Got it, sir. 1 minute. So this is customer list dot stream, sir. Okay. So we are taking that list object, sir, converting into the stream and getting into what? Map. That's all. Okay. Yeah. So see, sir, you got the data in the map object or not? You got the data from the list to map or not? Simple. What we did, sir, here, we taken the customer list. and converting into stream object and collecting the data into the map object. Nothing more than that. Okay, map object, collectors.toMap. And first parameter is what? Key, sir. Key is representing what? Customer ID. And the value is nothing but an what? Customer name. That is what it is getting populated or not, sir, on the screen. Customer ID as on the key. Key cannot be the duplicate and value can be on the duplicate as a map principle. Right? Right, sir. Then fine. Clear? This is about how to convert like as on the list into map, sir. Okay. Sir, grouping by means what? Whenever you want to group the customers based on the city or based on the ratings, then definitely you need to go for what? Collectors dot grouping by, sir. Okay, fine. That's all. This is all about some important interview questions, sir. Okay, we had completed some of the important interview questions we had completed as part of these 2 workshops, and you just need to go through the rest of other stream important questions, sir. Okay, yes. Then so this is all about, sir. This is all about for the Java 8 related workshops information, sir, about this one. So hope you guys enjoyed this workshop and you got some knowledge about the streams concept. Right? Hope you guys enjoyed and you got something from the streams, sir. Okay. Yes. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and ask your questions, sir. Okay. Yeah. Fine. I've just given you the unmute option for you guys. So you can go with that. Yes, sir. Sir, I request you everyone download this mobile application, sir, related to Ashok IT from the Play Store. Okay, just download that one where you can receive with what? Recorded videos as well, sir. Okay,
thank you, sir.
Yes. So, and also these streaming, these videos are available in Ashok IT YouTube channel as well, sir. Okay, Ashok IT YouTube channel as well. Okay,
thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, where you are uploading the notes, sir?
Notes are already, Ashok sir has already uploaded in the study material section of the mobile application, sir. Okay, you can get the Java 8 notes from that menu, sir. In the mobile application on the left hand side, we do have study materials section is there. So once you click on that, you can get the Java 8 notes and collections notes as well.
So those notes are prepared by you and prepared by other faculty?
No, sir. It's like see, that is the notes which are already having that one, sir. We are already have that Java 8 notes.
Okay, you just given means taken in this workshop. Those notes are uploading.
No, sir. This workshop is purely presented on the PowerPoint presentation, right, sir? We are not going to share this presentation to you guys. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir, and thanks a lot for arranging this workshop.
Yeah, thank you, guys.
Hi, sir. Do we have continuation for this on tomorrow, or this is the last class?
This is the last work. This is the last, sir. So very very soon we are going to introduce with the Java 8 workshop. We are going to introduce with the Java 8 sessions, sir. Java 8 to Java 11. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Where can we find this video?
In the YouTube section, sir. In the YouTube, you can find it, sir. In the YouTube, there is an Ashok IT channel, right?
Sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please go ahead, sir.
Sir, what is functional interface in Java 8?
Yeah, we are already discussed in the first workshop, right, sir? So see, sir. Yeah, about the functional interfaces. See, go to the YouTube, sir. Go to the YouTube. Okay, just try with what? Ashok IT, sir. Ashok IT. Okay, just go with what? Ashok IT, sir. Just go with what? YouTube. Here the videos. So where you can find with what? This one, the YouTube channel for the Ashok IT. Okay. Yes.
Sir, can you give the brief idea of functional interface?
Yes, sir. Basically, functional interface is a one kind of a special interface from Java 8, sir, which contains only one abstract method, sir. That's all, which is only single abstract method, nothing more. Okay. Yes. You
Okay.
can find
Okay,
from
sir.
here, sir, the videos list. Okay. You can find that the videos list, sir, so that you can have that the things. I think we do have. Yeah. See, sir, earlier video is here. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes. So everyone request you so download that the mobile application from the Play Store. If you have or if you're if your Apple means, then just download that the supported the Mac as well, sir.
Sir,
Or
sir, tomorrow we also have the session for this.
no, sir, no. Tomorrow onwards we do not have that session, sir. We are done with the streams workshop, free workshop on the streams.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, please go ahead, sir.
Can we perform the terminal operation on non-stream object?
Sorry, sir.
Perform the terminal operation on non-stream object?
No, yeah, that is what we can do, right? So for each method is a terminal operation which you can apply with what on the collections as well.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Fine, guys. Yeah, that's all for today. And signing off for this workshop. And so we'll catch you on the later, sir. Okay. For more updates, you can go through the Ashok IT website, and you can go through the Ashok IT YouTube channel, sir. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Mahesh. Sir, the session was really helpful. It was wonderful listening to you on streams. It really helped me out. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thanks for your feedback, sir.
Thank you, Mahesh, sir. Really, it is very commendable teaching method with this.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your support, sir. Thank you.
One thing, sir.
Yeah.
If we have some random question later, then where I will ask
Sorry, sir.
related. If we have some random question later, not now.
Yeah,
So
sure,
where
definitely, sir. Definitely, we can plan for the another workshop, sir. Otherwise, okay, but not for the coming week. So because I do have some couple of things, sir.
okay.
Yeah.
So how I can ping?
Yeah. So okay, you are asking about, yeah, fine, sir.
Yeah.
So what I can, let me, yeah, I will share that, sir. I will share my email ID in the chat window. Okay.
Okay.
Go through that.
Yes.
Okay, in the Zoom chat. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I just shared in the Zoom chat, sir. Okay. Just go with that.
Yeah, got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay then. So have a nice day, sir. Bye-bye.